This is the chopped and screwed AROD fade. You start off by brushing the sides and the back of his neck with a small brush. Create your first guidelines with the balding on the back and on the side. Use the number 4 guard to even the weight out. With the fading clipper, you want to begin your blend 1/4 inch high with the half. Then you use the 1 guard on your balding clippers to take out that 1/4 inch line. And last but not least, make sure you take out that first guideline with your detailers and make sure everything is well blended before you move on to your next step. And on the neckline, you want to keep it at a 45-degree angle using your detailers. To get a perfect arch, make sure you use the corner of the detailers to go around his ears. And after that's done, you want to make sure you clean off the dirty hairs that's left in the back of his neck. Now moving on with the side taper. As you see, you do the same routine but take a number 2 guard. Moving on with the half, 1/4 inch high. Then you flick it out with the number 1 guard on your fading clippers. And then take out the rest of the line with your liners. Slightly tap in on the corners to give him a nice arch. Now it's time for the beard. With your fading clippers, you even out the beard with the 1.5. With the lever up, you want to go diagonally from the top of the ears to the bottom of the chin through the middle of the beard. Right after that, you want to clean off the rest of the hair with your detailers. I preferably use a dry razor on his neck right after that. From south to north, we begin to blend with the half guard using your fading clippers. Once you've blended everything down with the half guard, you now want to take your detailers and clean off any remainder hairline that you do see. Flip the clippers around and graze on his cheeks to make sure there's no line left. Make sure you do so gently. With the 1.5 guard, even his mustache up as smooth as possible to begin the lineup. Gently tap on the bottom lip hair to create a nice straight line. Now I'm just going over the line that I originally went over with the razor. As I needed both hands to do the razor work, I didn't have anybody to record for me. So now I'm just using my detailers to clean off the leftover hairs, which I call the survivors. Well, here is the before, and wow, bam, here's the after. Now this is what we call the MILLY cut. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And if you want to see something new, if you got some questions, don't forget to drop a comment below. And last but not least, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be the first one to be notified when my videos drop. With that being said, I'm out of here. Deuces!